Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this warm smoky eye with a nude lip. It looks super dramatic and it's perfect for a night out, but it's actually really easy to recreate. So I really hope that you guys will follow along, and if you do recreate this, please remember to tag me on Instagram. It's at Allyssa Kruger. I'll put a link here. Oh, without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Bye! So I'm starting out with my MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in Painterly as my eyeshadow base, and then I'm going to set it all over with a Maybelline Master Fix translucent powder just to get a nice smooth base. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette in Realgar, and I'm using that in my crease to blend it up and out just to open up my eyes and help the transition go a little bit easier. Then I'm using a clean brush and I'm just blending that out. Then I'm using red ochre to deepen my crease and just help the blend between the black go a whole lot easier. And then I'm just going back and forth between red ochre and Realgar and just blending it out, and then using the clean blending brush just to make sure that I really have a smooth transition and a smooth blend. Then I'm using the Urban Decay Nocturnal Shadow Box in Blackout, and I'm packing that all over my lid, and you can see it's super pigmented and you don't need to lay down a cream base. And then I place it all over my lid and then use patting and windscreen wiper motions to blend it out and blend it up into the red ochre. Then I dipped back into the red ochre and used that to help blend out the blackout, and I just went back and forth until I was really happy with the blend and how it blended up and out. I used a wet wipe to clean up the edge, and I was really feeling a sharp edge, so that's what I did at that time. Then I'm lining my eyes with the Maybelline Colossal 12-Hour Extra Black Eyeliner, and then I went in with a Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer and I put it all over my face. Then I used the Maybelline Fit Matte and Poreless in 110 and 120, and I applied it all over my face with a brush and then pounced it in with a makeup sponge. I love doing this because I feel like you get the best coverage as well as a flawless finish out of your foundation. Then I used the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Concealer in 05 to highlight all over my face and underneath my eyes to just hide those dark circles. Then I went back in with the Maybelline Master Fix translucent powder and I set all the places that I used the concealer. Then I went back in with a mix of Realgar and red ochre from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I used that on my bottom lash line. You can smoke it out as far down as you'd like. Then I went back in with the Maybelline Colossal 12-Hour Extra Black Eyeliner and used it in the waterline and then blended it down with using Blackout. I'm using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara to coat my lashes and really just help them blend in with the lashes that I'm going to use now. I used the Lilly lashes in Miami and I absolutely love how they turned out. Then I used the Benefit Hoola bronzer to warm up my face and just contour a little bit. Then I used the BH Cosmetics and Carli Bybel Original palette with a first highlighter shade to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, the inner corner of my eyes, and underneath my brow bone. I also used it on my cheekbones, and I used my finger to do that. I just love how it comes out. It's a whole lot stronger, but also very blended. Then I used the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Pearlescent Pink just to add a flush of color all over my cheeks. And lastly, I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. I think it really complements with the warm tones on my eyes. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you recreate it yourself. If you do, please won't you remember to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your looks and your recreations. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!